Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today we're fixing a PS5 power problem in just a few minutes. Place the PS5 on a flat table so you can easily reach the back panel. Start by unplugging the PS5 power cable completely from the wall outlet. Now unplug the other end of the PS5 power cable from the PS5 itself. Hold the PS5 power cable and inspect it closely for cuts or bends. Run your fingers along the PS5 power cable to check for loose sections. Look directly into the PS5 power port to make sure it has no dust. Use a small soft brush to clean the PS5 power port gently. Shake off any dust and make sure the PS5 power port looks clear. Plug the PS5 power cable firmly back into the PS5 power port. Push the cable until you feel the PS5 connection lock in properly. Now plug the other end of the PS5 cable directly into a wall socket. Avoid any extension leads while testing the PS5 power problem. Place your hand on the PS5 top surface to check for any vibration. Tap the PS5 power button once and watch for the white light. If the PS5 shows no light, hold the PS5 power button for 10 seconds. This forces the PS5 to discharge any stuck power. Leave the PS5 unplugged for a full 60 seconds. After 60 seconds, plug the PS5 power cable back into the wall. Press the PS5 power button again and check for any beep. If the PS5 still doesn't respond, unplug the PS5 again. This time, try a different wall outlet for the PS5 power cable. Plug the PS5 into a completely separate room if possible. Press the PS5 power button and wait for the indicator light. If the PS5 light stays off, move to the safe mode method. Unplug the PS5 power cable again to reset the attempt. Wait 20 seconds, then plug the PS5 cable back into the PS5. Place one hand on the PS5 to steady it. Hold the PS5 power button down for 7 seconds. Listen carefully for 2 beeps from the PS5. If the PS5 enters safe mode, you'll see a black screen prompt. Connect the PS5 controller with a USB cable to the PS5. Press the PS5 controller's PS button to activate safe mode. Choose the Restart PS5 option to complete the process. If the PS5 restarts normally, the PS5 power issue is fixed. But if the PS5 refuses to enter safe mode, continue to the next step. Unplug the PS5 again and flip it gently on its side. Inspect the PS5 vents to ensure proper airflow. Use a soft brush to clean the PS5 vents horizontally. Do not tilt the PS5 while cleaning the vents. Blow light air across the PS5 vent to remove loose dust. Put the PS5 upright again and reconnect the PS5 power cable. Press the PS5 power button and check for response. If the PS5 turns on briefly then shuts off, stabilize the PS5 cable. Make sure the PS5 power cable is not loose at either end. Wiggle the PS5 power cable slightly while watching the power light. If light flickers, the PS5 power cable may be faulty. Try another official PS5 power cable if available. Plug the new PS5 cable into the PS5 and test again. Press the PS5 power button and wait for the white light. If the PS5 powers on normally, the cable was the issue. If not, unplug the PS5 and remove the PS5 side panel. Slide the PS5 panel upward to expose the internal fan. Clean around the PS5 fan carefully without touching blades. Replace the PS5 side panel securely. Reconnect the PS5 power cable directly to wall power. Tap the PS5 power button once and watch the light strip. If the PS5 shows a white light and stays on, the fix worked. If the PS5 does not turn on at all, the issue is more serious. And that's how to troubleshoot your PS5 power problem step by step.